In this video, I'll show you how to change your avatar in PUBG Mobile. So you first need to launch up PUBG on your mobile device and then click on your profile icon in the top left-hand side. Once you've clicked on your profile picture, you'll be taken to this page. Now once again, we just need to click on our profile picture like so and then select Change Avatar. Now from here, you could just select any of the thumbnails to quickly change your avatar. A lot of these will be locked until you unlock them by completing in-game missions. If you want to change your thumbnail to a custom photo like I have here, then what you need to do is close out of this menu and come back over to the home screen. Click on the icon in the bottom right hand side, is kind of this up arrow. Then click on settings, and beneath the account info tab, you'll see this section for linked. Now you need to link your Facebook profile to your PUBG account. As you can see, I already have the Facebook icon here because my account's already linked. But to link your account, you just press on the plus icon like so, and then you can go ahead and select Facebook from this list. Once you've linked your Facebook account to your PUBG account, then this is going to pull your profile picture from Facebook, and you'll be able to select it in this avatar section over here. So obviously, if you want to change your profile picture to a different custom photo, then you'll just need to change it on Facebook and it will automatically update here. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.